Hi friends, welcome back to my studio. I'm Katie and today I'm doing an unboxing, which I don't usually do on this channel. In general, I feel uneasy with the hey, look at what I've got aspect of YouTube. I love watching them, for the record, so no judgment, but it feels weird for me to do. But I do like showcasing artists and things that I think are beautiful, so it's kind of a tension here. And I don't actually see a lot on YouTube. Maybe I'm not following the right people, because these things kind of tend to go in clusters, right? A lot of you are Planners Anonymous fans because you follow me because I post in Planners Anonymous places. So similarly, it's possible that I'm not in where these people hang out, which is fine. But I don't see it getting talked about quite as much. There are also, cohorts of small business owners that seem to travel together and all promote each other's stuff. And again, this company isn't in that same cohort that I see all of the time. So no shade to any of those people. I just want to show this stuff because I think it's beautiful. So this is from Pineberry Paper. This is her logo. But I have been following her on Instagram for a long time, and I really like her style and her aesthetic. I really love supporting artists who are doing just an amazing job at drawing their own art. And that's not to say that I think that it's wrong if people use clip art from other artists. That's still supporting artists. But as an artist myself, I really admire when people are making their own art assets. And so I've long been an admirer of hers. She's got just a beautiful aesthetic. And I'll be honest with you, I don't entirely remember what I ordered. I placed this order only a couple weeks ago. It didn't take too long. It wasn't a super long lead time. But everything was on sale, I believe, for Memorial Day weekend. And the way I tend to shop is that I put everything I possibly wanted in my cart and then was horrified by the total number that was then in my cart, and then I pared back until something I felt comfortable with. So I don't 100% remember what made the final cut. So this is gonna be fun. This paper is so cute, and I love the colors and the gradient. It's adorable. I'm not usually one of those people who saves the packaging to reuse for something else, but I think I might. She's folded it like an envelope, so I can just drag this out and then look at it. Okay, so one of the things I do remember ordering was these floral oops packets. So this was, there's not an invoice in here, so I don't remember. It was pretty cheap, and they were oops. But in general, my experience with this kind of thing is that there's not much wrong with them. So look how cute these are. I think these are maybe cut a little deep. No, I don't know. I don't know what the problem was, but I will happily use them because they're really cute. These pages are 3.5 by 5. So if you're curious, which I find is a fairly common size in this little planner shop planner stickers. So we got these hanging plants and these little plants in vases, cups and stuff. This is a whole different style, but with the hat and some flowers. And then some pink flowers. This beautiful sage green. I love this color combo. And then some kind of Eastery flowers, really springy, but not super Easter. There's a bunny here, but everything else is very, not an egg, but very applicable if I wanted to. And like, look how pretty this butterfly is and so intricate. So very pleased with that because I think they like, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets, and I think this was $5. As I said, I don't have my invoice, but I will correct that if it's wrong on the screen. So like, I don't know, something like 25% of what a sticker sheet would normally be, and then they were on sale for Memorial Day, I think. So definitely a deal there. Okay, these are some freebies. So we got like a little travel freebie with an airplane and a suitcase. We've got these gorgeous florals with this. This is like a color scheme I've really been vibing with lately. These like warm, neutral kind of thing. I think it's been pretty popular in general because I think like the new zebra mild liners are pretty much exactly this color combo. These are like she's got a bunch of like folk stickers in her shop. Oh, here's the list of what I ordered, but it doesn't say how much they are. So I can't tell you that, but I can sneak a peek on what I ordered. These are folk also. And then this is the little card. The cute little house. So those are the freebies. Thank you, Miki. And then the things I ordered. So I ordered things in 2 different sizes. Not everything comes in 2 sizes. Some of them, I guess this is the only one I got in this size. Some of them come in both like the small and the big. And then the bigs, these are 1.5 inch boxes, I assume. Yes. 1.5 by 2-ish. So Erin Condren size box, and then these are squares. But like, look how gorgeous this is. Love this color scheme. But like these feel like alien landscapes, kind of. I mean, apparently it's Japan. I've never been, but the colors make it feel kind of out there. Really gorgeous. Love the colors. So I thought I might do that in my main planner. A lot of this, I'm not sure. I might do it more in my daily or in my journal, more than in my regular planner, but we'll have to see. These probably will go somewhere else. These like little doodles. They're just little drawings on swashes of color, and they're really, really cute. This one I thought was bigger and kind of, I don't remember if these were available in bigger. I would have bought these in bigger if I'd known, but they're still gorgeous. I'm not complaining by any means. These are national park little icons, essentially. But they're really graphic, and I love this like art style. So you can tell I went for a lot of really graphic things because here these are like little abstract landscapes, very similar to what drew me here. I guess I had a mood in mind, a different color scheme. This is like the one I showed you. This one I'm feeling kind of these vibes here. Really gorgeous. So a little small. They're square. I don't know where I see myself putting this, but I see myself enjoying it. Maybe in my work planner? I'm not sure. I do. My work planner's in a Hobonichi Weeks, which that feels like an appropriate size for. Here's something very similar, but in circles. This is called Abstract. I wonder if I was feeling very fall. But that's cute. It's just very dramatic. And then some wonky houses. I thought these would be fun. With like a washi tape street or whatever, and a couple different sizes. Galaxy. So these are some funky planets, moons, and stars. Really gorgeous. So that is my order from Pineberry Paper. If you're interested in shopping, I will put the link below. Everything is really beautiful. She's got, in my opinion, a great taste for colors, or at least a shared with me taste in colors. So if you're interested, I will post the links. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not anything. I bought all this with my own money during the sale. So if you find this interesting, feel free to check her out. Otherwise, more planning content coming here soon. All right, talk to you later, friends. Bye.